ahead, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen, and welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2018, where I'm showing you how the trailer park celebrates the holiday all the way until the 25th of December. Now, some of you have already printed out the calendar that you can get at trailerparkchristmas.com, and I see today that it says Merry Keto Christmas. Now, I see all the people online talking about how they're on the keto diet and they're pretty much eating a pound of bacon and somehow losing weight. I don't know. I know that the diet probably isn't for me. Well, some people write me in now and say you should be doing it, but I saw that there was a neat snack food that maybe keto people could eat over the holiday, and it kind of is something that is really in trend, and it's those little cheese bites. Now, I see they're like $6, $8 for these kind of baked dried cheese. It's all cheese, and apparently keto people can eat them, so I'm going to show you how to make my Keto Cheese Bites up next, and it'll probably make some ketos Christmas. I'll be right back, and Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Next up, we're going to be making a great little cheese snack that people that are on the keto diet can eat, and you know, they sell these in the convenience store too, and they call them like cheese snacks, and they're really expensive too. So I found something that I can eat from their diet, and I think this is neat that you could share around the holiday, and it's actually really simple, and I thought, wow, this is really simple, and it's actually just about a tablespoon of shredded cheddar cheese. Now, I've got a piece of parchment paper here, and I've got that on a baking sheet, and we are going to just spread it out to make it kind of look pretty. It's going to spread out on its own, but there we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some bacon slices to it, and I've chopped that up to tiny bits, and we're just going to put that right up there on top of that mound of cheese. And then I just like a little sprinkle of garlic powder just there on top. That gives them a little taste, and a little bit of black pepper right there on top. Now, you could probably put some green onion or anything that you think of right there. Don't put too much because there's really not much to cook here. But I'm going to finish this up here, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, now I have a whole tray full, and I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and look, they're kind of flat here, and that's what we want. And I put the seasoning up on top, and we're going to bake these for about 8 to 10 minutes, and you're going to set your timer. Okay, these have to cool completely, and then we'll be able to taste one. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. And there you have it, my keto approved Keto Cheese Crisps. And look at that with the bacon on them, and they're nice and brown, and they look like the fancy chips that you pay a fortune for at the convenience store. And these are just, I don't know, they just are light and delicate, and I just can't wait to try them. That's the best part of the cheese. It's crispy, and it has the taste of the garlic and the pepper. That is really nice. And you shouldn't eat too much of these unless you're on the keto diet. You should look that up if that's your thing, but I don't plan on going on a diet anytime soon. Got 25 days of videos, yes I do. You can download the calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com so you can follow along, because I see tomorrow that it says Cake Extravaganza. I wonder what that is. That's going to be an exciting cake that's going to make your holiday there. I love spending the holidays with you. Go ahead and follow me. Visit trailerparkchristmas.com so you can find out more tips and tricks to make your holiday the Trailer Park way. Tell your friends about Trailer Park Christmas, and I'll see you back tomorrow. I love ya. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that